Hi, in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Feel It Still by Portugal the Man on bass guitar. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning for 4-string bass. For the verses and choruses of this tune, we're going to be playing this. For the bass and chorus parts of this song, we'll go to the 4th fret on the A string and play a C sharp 3 times. We'll go to G sharp, back to C sharp, G sharp. We'll drop down to an E at the 2nd fret on the D string and play it 3 times. The 2nd fret on the A string to a B, back to that E 3 times, B, then we'll move to F sharp at the 4th fret on the D string, play it 3 times, drop down to a C sharp, back to the F sharp again 3 times, then we'll drop down to G sharp at the 4th fret on the E string, play it once, and then go to C sharp again 3 times, G sharp, C sharp 3 times, and we'll repeat that. Here it is. In order to play the bridge bass part, we're going to go to an A here on the G string, 2nd fret, play it 3 times, drop down to a low E, and then to an F sharp at the 2nd fret. Then we'll move to the 4th fret on the E string, and then the 4th fret on the A string 3 times. 4th fret, low E, back to the 4th fret, A string. 4th fret again on the E string. And we're done with the line. Here it is again. And those are the bass parts we're going to need to learn in order to play Feel It Still on 4-string electric bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.